Apologies, I was on another meeting. I'll continue the theme, though, of the budget. I want to, I suppose, just, Leader, we should recognise that this is the first post-pandemic budget, and we've all come through an incredibly difficult 18 months, and we're all incredibly grateful for everyone who helped each and every one of us come through this 18 months. It's a budget that is designed to help those who need help most, to try and improve everybody's quality of life, but most importantly, it's targeted at those who need the state and the government's support most, young people and low-income families, and in everything from the improvements and the increased funding in health in terms of the free GP care for 6 and 7-year-olds, the reduction of the prescription thresholds, the extension of the medical card to dental treatment, the free contraception for young women, something that our party has pushed for and I'm delighted to see delivered in the budget. The halving of public transport for young people is a really good measure as well, but the increases in the welfare payments and the pensions, the living alone allowance, the fuel allowance and the working family income supplement, they're all really welcome. But I do also want to this morning call out the disingenuous, divisive, social media messaging that is being pushed out by the opposition party in terms particularly, and I'm only going to give one example, but it's a really important example. It is how they are using social media today and over the last 24 hours to drive division, to actually put out disinformation. And the example I'll give you, Leader, is this. They have their slick social media today blasting out to people on their phones that there is zero in this budget for renters. They state that there's zero to support renters in terms of paying their rent, zero to support them in terms of stopping rent increases, and zero to support them in terms of improving the standards. All of which is a lie, all of which is untrue. There's 600 million in the budget to support renters, 600 million to support renters, 11 million in the budget to enforce the rent caps that we have legislated for, 10 million to stop and improve
just to remind rents, colleagues who will have statements on the budget
standards in rental accommodation. Leader, it is really important that this House corrects that false narrative that is being promoted and pushed by the opposition. It is dishonest and disingenuous.
Senator Fitzpatrick. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed.